Aww. You're so sweet, Mace. You gonna put the hat on him? It looks good. It might be a little big for his head. It might be a little big for him. Mace, how do you talk to Davis?
Agu.
Agu. Yeah, you got a hat on. That looks good on you.
Hey.
I think Davis likes your hat too. Oh, you're showing him your boo-boo? You got a Spider-Man Band-Aid, huh?
Here.
You got a boo-boo. Hey, who's visiting us now, Mace?
G-Pop.
Yeah, G-Pop's here.
Yeah, she.